The whole new Syma X5HW1 is going to bring you a whole new flight experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to post the video at any time and learn the X5HW accessories assembly with us. Landing gear installation. When the landing gear is installed, insert it into the corresponding slot and lock the screw. First, insert the protective guard into the corresponding slot. Then, install camera. Next, install battery for aircraft. Now, open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. When the aircraft's battery power is low, use the charging cable and connect the computer port for charging. When the indicator goes off, it means charging is finished. Ascent, descent, forward, backward, left sideward flight, right sideward flight, left rolling, right rolling, high and low speed switch, trimmer key, headless mode, level calibration, camera video mode, 3D rolling mode, fly in the constant altitude. Use your phone, scan QR code, and install software. After connecting the Wi-Fi hotspot, then open the software. Now, mount mobile holder onto the controller and affix the mobile phone to the holder. Finally, manipulate the aircraft to shoot and enjoy the images or videos from Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Syma X5HW1 makes flying so easy.